The Santa Fe Railroad, like most major roads, had connections with other large railroads as well as short lines. At Holbrook, Arizona, the Santa Fe connected with the Apache Railway Company. Here the Apache Railroad receives lumber, paper products, and grain from the Santa Fe. In turn, the short line delivers coal and chemicals for interchange. During the bicentennial celebration, the Apache Railway painted all their locomotives with a patriotic red, white, and blue scheme. Here we see some of their all-Alco fleet approaching Holbrook with the daily interchange. A string of 5 Alcos, headed by an RS-36 low nose, make up the power set on this day. The Alcos arrive at the interchange as a foreboding sky signals some inclement weather. And as if set up just for the photographer, Santa Fe number 3405, a GP35, arrives with a westbound local.